Can I talk about making a Spam sandwich for a whole 2 minutes? Well, I guess I can. Why not? First, you plop your Spam out of its can, then slice it up, something like that. Then you put it in a hot skillet and fry it until it's kind of golden brown. Then you turn it over and you fry it on the other side. And we'll do that here in a little bit, I guess. There we go. Yeah. See? Something like that. You can get a little browner than that, or not as brown as that. I don't care. It's your sandwich. You do you. But I like it a little browner, like that piece there. That piece was good. That was a good piece. But after you fry your Spam, or while you're frying it, I don't care. Toast you some bread, put it on a plate, put some mayonnaise on your bread, something like that. I made that mayonnaise myself. Made it from scratch.
Make my lunch.
Only thing I didn't do was lay the egg.
I will.
So then just after you got your mayonnaise on there, you can squirt a little bit of mustard if you like. I like, so I squirted a little bit of mustard. Use spicy brown mustard. Then there's my Spam. And I put a little bit of tomatoes. A few tomato slices on there. And then just stick it together here in a little bit. And cut it in half, like so. And then eat it up. Just eat it. I don't care if you like it or not. I did.